Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to yet another video of Allure by Nisha. So guys, you must be thinking ये क्या अवतार में हूँ मैं आज, ये hair style and all of this look. So let me tell you, today I've done this Gauhar Khan's inspired makeup look which she did on her nikah. So if you want to learn how Gauhar Khan did her makeup on her nikah for her wedding, so please keep on watching, and all the products and links are mentioned in the description box below if you want to check for yourselves. And now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First things first, I'm using this Garnier Wrinkle Lift Cream to prep my skin for the makeup and to prep my skin for the base. Guys, now if I talk about Gauhar's makeup that was done on her nikah, so it was kept very beautiful by keeping the eyes muted, and base was again very soft, very glowing from within. And to add that tadka, that pop in it, red bold lips were given which completed the look in a beautiful way. So we are going to do in the similar way that was done on her. So I'm using these two foundations for my base today. Now I'm going to blend the foundation really well into my skin. So this glow that you guys can see, this is the thing which we want for the kind of base she had on her nikah. So guys, can you see this glow? This is something I wanted, which I saw in her base. Guys, now for my under eyes and for highlighting my face, I'm going to use this Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer to give that beautiful highlight. So guys, till now I'm quite happy with the base and it is looking as I wanted. Guys, now I'm going to set my face with a loose powder, and for that I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. I'm just setting the base very gently and with very soft hands. So guys, next moving on to the base, we have to put blush, and for blush I'm going to use this blush by MAC. And I'm keeping it really subtle because everything on her face was very subtle, like there was not too much of blush or highlighter or anything, like everything was kept balanced. So I'm going to try doing that only in order to achieve the base she had. I think this much is enough and I'm happy with the blush. Next guys, I'm going to take contour, and for that I'm using this Maybelline V-Face Duo Contour, and I'm using this dark part to contour like little bit on my face and not do it much because everything was very soft and not too harsh on her face. So I have to keep in mind to go very slow and very soft. I guess this much is okay and soft, so yeah, this much is it. Next guys, we are going to move forward with our eyes since we are done with the base little bit, and rest we are going to complete afterwards. So I'm going to start off with the eyes, and I'm going to first start working on my crease, and for that I'm going to use this shade, light brown shade in my crease. So like now I'm done with my crease and I'm pretty happy with it. I'm going to move forward, and for that I'm going to take this shade to build up my eyes. If you can see. So this is the way it looks. So guys, these are the eyes. she did, and so far I'm pretty happy with the way it has turned out. So guys, next we are going to move towards eyeliner, and she was wearing this black eyeliner with not a very big wing, so we are going to do the same way, and for that I'm using this liner in the black. So guys, can you see? Like, it is not that much, but see the difference, guys. See the difference. Fingers crossed to achieve the similar on the next eye. So guys, I think this is it for the liner. Now guys, I'm going to fill my eyes with kajal, and for that I'm using this plum kajal. Now guys, I'm going to take this shade, which was the second shade, and I'm going to do my under eyes. And again, I'm keeping it very soft because hers was very softly done. Next guys, I'm going to put the mascara on my eyes, and for that I'm using this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Next guys, we are going to finish off the makeup by putting highlighter and lipstick, and for highlighter I'm using this Wet n Wild highlighter. And guys, I'm going to be very soft and gentle as I don't want that much of highlighter on my face. Guys, I think this much is it for the highlighter. So guys, finally I'm going to finish off the look by putting lipstick. First I'm going to line my lips with this lip liner. Next I'm going to take this liquid lipstick and I'm going to fill the lips. So guys, this was all about my makeup tutorial in which I showed you how you can do and achieve Gauhar Khan's makeup look which she did on her wedding, on her nikah. So yeah, this was the tutorial which I showed in today's video. And also guys, if you like this video and you really love the look which I have created for you guys, so please don't forget to give thumbs up on this video and share it with all the girls out there. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you will be updated about all the videos coming on my channel and you will never ever miss them. And also you can follow me on my Instagram for all the quick updates and everything that I mentioned there. So go check out my Instagram and follow me there as well. ID must be mentioned somewhere here. So yeah, go follow. And also if any one of you has stumbled upon this video for the first time, welcome to the community Allure by Nisha. Please take a moment to go through all of my videos. I'm sure you will love them and you will binge watch them. And also please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Button yahi kahin hoga niche. You can go and subscribe there. Also ring the bell button so you will be notified every time my video pops up on the YouTube. So yeah, now this is it for today's video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See ya. Bye.